Crunchy Cheetos are processed, then chicken is dipped in batter, dredged in crushed jalapeno Cheetos and deep fried. This is a crunchy snack you're really gonna want to try. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I have a really exciting recipe for you today. We're going to be making Cheetos popcorn chicken. This is jalapeno Cheetos that I've crumbled and I'm going to coat small pieces of chicken and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have a 250-gram bag of jalapeno crunchy Cheetos here. You can use any other type of Cheetos or any brand of cheesies as long as it's the crunchy kind. To make a simple batter, I'm adding 1 cup of flour. To this, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of water and I'm going to mix it a little bit at a time using a whisk. Add salt to taste. And I'm going to crack in 3 eggs one at a time and I'm going to whisk it. Now it's time to fry the chicken. My oil is heating up. I have the batter, 1 pound of boneless chicken that I cut into small pieces, and the crushed Cheetos, as well as a tray lined with kitchen towels so I can drain the excess oil. Take each piece of chicken, drop it into the batter to coat. Next, I'm going to drop it into the crunchy Cheetos to coat. And I'm going to add it to the hot oil. Notice that I'm using 2 sets of tongs to make it easier. Cook the popcorn chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes and then remove and allow it to rest on some kitchen towel. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Cheetos popcorn chicken. My kids absolutely loved it, but some of the adults really loved it as well. So make sure you make a batch for your family and friends and they're going to love it too. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy these recipes as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.